Mike Sadler at Speed and Shine TV, and we are in the big arena area where we're doing our vending and the Chrome and Ice car show put on by Back to the Bricks here in Flint. So let's hurry up and go around before the music gets turned on and we can't do this. You've shown this before. No. I'm not Corvette, I'm Speed and Shine. I'm a Ford guy. Hey, good morning. So we've showed this car before. It's a 47 Cadillac. Absolutely beautiful car. And it's a 35 Ford. It looks really good. And this car we cleaned up with our products. Beautiful 64 Falcon, 4-speed car. 1937 Ford Tudor, slant back. Got a rat rod in here. 1937 Ford Wild Rod Roadster. Looking good. Let's look under the hood here. Very clean, easy to maintain that, right? And of course, he's got a flux capacitor in there.
Nobody's rag.
Yeah, it's a nice rag, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's our best new product. So
I like it.
this is good. So tell our people why that's a good rag.
Oh, look at this. Look at that shine.
Yeah.
Can't beat it.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Those are 800 GSM towels, and they really work good. And it's on both sides. So you know, and in two different colors, you can remember which side you're wiping product on and taking product off,
Buffer
right?
with the other.
Right.
Yeah.
Good.
Very good.
Here's a Dodge Dart. 1965 convertible. Got a Corvette. Cheyenne pickup. Nice Corvette. Lincoln, like the day it rolled off the assembly line. All right, let's go this way. The Planet Pizza truck. Right there. Got a Camaro RS. Wow. Beautiful looking car. Sorry. Blacked out Cadillac. I bet that baby moves. Look at that. Wow. 496 stroker. Yep, 496 stroker. Another beautiful Plymouth Cuda, 70. Really nice. Wow. Got a Bronco, 1967.
Anytime we get a vehicle.
Chevelle SS, 69. A lot of these cars are just tip-top bodywork and how clean they are. Some of the best out there. Nice Cutlass convertible. And this is really neat. This is next to our booth. It took the gentleman who built this 3 years to build. Now this is an exact replica of this Dodge Brothers car. Look, little monkey smoking a cigar. All right, 1925. Check that out. And there it is, the real thing. And little monkey smoking a cigar, or an ape, whatever it is. But isn't that something? Exact replica. That is just crazy, right? It's a beautiful car. And then of course you got the Speed and Shine booth there. You got Vanguard Motors, has one of the beautiful cars that they have for sale. If you're in the shop or in the market for your dream car, check them out online, Vanguard Motors. Of course, you probably know who they are. All right, let's head this way. Look at that. Got a beautiful 65, I think, right? Yeah. That blue really stands out. Wow. That's something. All right. Got an ice cream truck here. It says it's a 34 Model A ice cream truck. It's a Corvette. 1931 Model A. Check that Nova out. He was cleaning that yesterday with the Intense Shine and Protect. Had a little bit of film on the car from a different product and it was taking it off. And I think that's his son's car next to it. Look at that thing. Wow. Stunning. This Corvette's a little, or Corvette, oh my gosh. This Cadillac. A little different with the painted bumpers, I guess you would call that. Got a late model engine in it. Interior, just a little different, all right? And you can't go wrong with those big old fins like that. Buick Grand National. To me, I said this before, but Darth Vader was going to drive a car. This is probably what he would drive. I just feel that way. Only got 4,782 miles on that 86 Buick. When I got out of high school in 85, that and the Hurstolls and one of these and a Camaro IROC Z, that was the cars we wanted. Couldn't afford them, but that's what we wanted. Impala. Another beautiful Dodge Challenger. Look at this. This is pretty cool. And then it's got a bunch of, I think it's got hydraulics in the back, if I remember right. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, see all that there? Wow. Again, this is another car that is just black and straight down the side. See that? Really, really straight. Z28 Camaro. Chevelle Super Sport 396. You got the Little Miss radioactive truck here.
Right at the side, they're in Auburn. Now this is down a little further.
Kind of neat monster truck. Museum Hall of Fame. 1972 Triumph TR6. Look under the hood. Yes, really. Of course, all these cars are really nice because they're selected to be here. We see this Corvette a lot. This guy takes excellent care of his car. Always clean. Pontiac Chieftain. Yeah, looks pretty good. Now they're going to start the music, so we're going to get into copyright problems here soon. Try to wrap this up. I want to get down this end here so you see everything. This is like a magazine car right here. It is just, it's just absolutely impeccable. The gaps, the paint, everything about that car is just straight on right. Here's the Camaro. Another Camaro. All right, well, they got me with the music, so I'm gonna have to end this early. If you ever get a chance to go to the Back to the Bricks Chrome and Ice show, you should. It was a good time. Until next time.